she's wearing, I have no idea. She has the final vote for me, though. The final tally from our scarecrow. Wow. All right. May I have a drum roll, please? Thank you, Sarah. May I just say the finalist by one mere vote is Eddie! We have prizes for all 5 of them though, but Eddie, you get the bottle of champagne. Certificates and prizes. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us this evening. Can I have a round of applause for my judges, David, Dawn, and Sarah? And of course the production guys behind the stage and in the booth and singing their hearts out on the screen. Ladies and gentlemen, from me, Sonia, my co-host Kelly, all of the cruise staff, the cruise director Billy, and your deputy Dave, and of course the entire ship, thanks so much for joining us this week on the Grand Princess. Have a safe and wonderful trip home. Thank you, and good.